Hey, so in the box of the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, we can actually find that case, and it's flexible. It's a silicone case. It's some kind of the lawyer over here that doesn't actually catch a lot of fingerprints. That's a good point. And when we put this on the phone, it's quite easy actually to put it on. And as you can see, the frame of this case, especially in the corners, comes above the screen, which means that when you put it on the flat surface, you actually shouldn't scratch your screen. And it actually looks, yeah, it actually comes a little bit above the lenses. So this bumper, the camera bumper. Here you can find cover for the buttons, but when you take a look at the bottom, we can find cutout for the microphone, USB-C port, speaker, and at the top we can find cutout for IR blaster, microphones, and the another speaker. The case is well made, it's not slipping out of the hand when you hold it like that. And that's basically everything for this video.